Imagine finding the perfect investment property, such as a duplex, where you can live in one unit and generate rental income from the other unit, and know exactly what to do to profit from it in less than 60 days. Well, you're in for a treat, because I want to show you 6 hacks to get started. Investing in duplexes. Duplex investing is an excellent opportunity to enter the world of real estate investing and boost your monthly income. However, if you're new to this, I get it. I know it can feel overwhelming and confusing, but if you watch until the end of this video, you'll learn exactly what you need to do to successfully invest in your first duplex. Without wasting any more time, here are 6 hacks to get started in duplex investing. Number 6. Look through online listings or local newspapers. With the rising popularity of duplexes, it's no wonder they're catching the attention of savvy homebuyers like you. First and foremost, take advantage of the convenience and vast options available online. Websites like Zillow and Redfin are excellent starting points. You can easily browse through listings, filter your search based on location and preferences, and get a comprehensive overview of available duplexes, all from the comfort of your own home. However, don't overlook the power of traditional methods. Local newspapers can be a hidden treasure trove of duplex listings. Some sellers prefer to advertise through these traditional channels, giving you access to properties that may not be listed online. Keep an eye on the classified sections, as they often provide valuable information on properties for sale. Number 5. Always do your research. Research is your secret weapon when it comes to discovering the perfect duplex, and I'm here to show you the way. Start by diving into the local real estate market. Explore the listings, browse through online platforms, and keep an eye out for any duplexes that pique your interest. Get a feel for the market trends and pricing to ensure you're making an informed decision. But don't stop there. Go beyond the listings and take a stroll through the neighborhoods. Immerse yourself in the surroundings, check out nearby amenities, and envision yourself living in that vibrant community. And hey, why not have a little fun along the way? Attend open houses, dress to impress, and experience the thrill of being a potential buyer. Just remember to maintain a professional demeanor and keep your intentions clear. Ready to master the art of negotiating the perfect price for your duplex? Well, you're in for a treat because I've got all the insider tips you need right here as long as you watch the video till the end. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay in the loop with our latest uploads and valuable content. Number 4. Consider hiring a real estate agent when it comes to finding the ideal duplex. Enlisting the help of a real estate agent or broker can be a game changer. These professionals possess the expertise and knowledge of the real estate market, making them valuable allies in your search for the perfect property. One of the major advantages of hiring a real estate agent or broker is the access to their network and resources. They will attentively listen to your needs and requirements, utilizing their connections to identify the best duplex options that align with your budget and criteria. Their insider knowledge can be invaluable in finding hidden gems that you might have otherwise overlooked. Negotiation skills are another area where real estate professionals shine. They will skillfully negotiate on your behalf, ensuring that you secure the best possible deal. Not only that, but they will handle the paperwork and navigate the intricacies of the transaction, making the entire process smooth and stress-free for you. But what sets real estate agents apart is their familiarity with the local market. They possess valuable insights into various neighborhoods, schools, and amenities in the area. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly neighborhood or proximity to essential facilities, they can provide you with the necessary information to make an informed decision. Enlisting the services of a real estate agent or broker will not only save time and effort, but also gain peace of mind. Knowing that a trusted professional is working diligently on your behalf allows you to focus on other aspects of your life while they handle the intricacies of the search. So, don't know how to hire one? Here are some steps. Step 1. Seek out those who have earned a solid reputation. You can utilize online platforms, ask trusted friends or family for recommendations, or reach out to local real estate associations to compile a list of brokers who could be a good fit. Step 2. Engage in multiple conversations. With your list of potential brokers in hand, take the next step by scheduling interviews or informal meetings with them. This gives you the opportunity to gain a deeper understanding of their expertise and assess their suitability to meet your specific needs. During these interactions, ask pertinent questions about their market experience, their strategies for buying or selling properties, their familiarity with local regulations, and their flexibility to accommodate your desired timeline. Step 3. Seek references and credentials. Before making a final decision, validate the credentials and reputation of the brokers under consideration. Request references from their previous clients, and make an effort to contact them directly. Engage in conversations to learn about their experiences working with the broker in question. You may also check if the broker holds a valid license, is registered with local real estate boards, and possesses any professional certifications that exemplify their commitment to maintaining industry standards. Step 4. Finalize the agreement. Once you have selected a real estate broker who resonates with your requirements, it's time to negotiate the terms of your working agreement. This agreement typically outlines the broker's responsibilities, the scope of work, the duration of the agreement, and the compensation structure. Take the time to thoroughly review the agreement and, if needed, seek legal advice to ensure a clear understanding of the terms. Ensure that you are comfortable with all aspects before affixing your signature. Number 3, schedule a viewing of the properties. Here's what I want you to know. Enough with the endless scrolling through online listings. It's time to take action and schedule viewings of the properties you're interested in. Get ready for some real estate sleuthing as you put on your detective hat and embark on this exciting adventure. Consider these viewings as dates with your future home, an opportunity to get up close and personal. No more guessing games or relying on virtual tours. For this one, see for yourself if the kitchen has enough counter space for your culinary creations, if the bedrooms are spacious enough for your yoga sessions, and if the neighborhood matches your desired ambiance. And let's not forget the most important question of all. Will the bathroom fulfill all your selfie needs with an abundance of mirrors? You'll finally have the chance to find out. Take the plunge and schedule those viewings. You never know. Your future home might just sweep you off your feet on the first date. Make sure to bring a notepad and jot down your impressions, take pictures, and envision yourself living in each space. Number 2, hire a home inspector. These trained professionals specialize in assessing the condition of a home and identifying any potential issues that may exist. During the inspection, the home inspector will meticulously evaluate various aspects of the property, including the structure, electrical systems, plumbing, heating, air conditioning, roof, foundation, and more. Their goal is to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the property's condition. Obtaining this valuable information can help in making an informed decision about whether to proceed with the purchase or negotiate for repairs or credits before closing the deal. Note that a home inspector is a neutral third party, meaning their assessment will be objective and unbiased. This impartiality gives you the peace of mind of receiving an honest evaluation of the property. Believe me when I say that investing in a home inspection is a wise move before finalizing any property purchase. It allows you to uncover potential issues that may not be immediately apparent and gives you the opportunity to address them before they become costly problems along the way. Number 1, negotiate price and terms with the seller. I want you to take the time to grasp their goals, motivations, and constraints. This insight will enable you to craft an offer that aligns with their needs while addressing your own. Equally important is being clear about your own position. Determine your non-negotiables, areas where you can compromise, and your desired outcome. Having a firm grasp of your priorities will keep you focused and confident during the negotiation process. When it's time to negotiate, active listening is key. Hear what the seller has to say and be open to new ideas. Negotiation often involves give and take, so be ready to find common ground and make compromises to reach a mutually satisfactory agreement. The aim is to create a win-win situation that benefits both parties. Maintain a positive and collaborative mindset throughout the negotiation. Fostering an atmosphere of cooperation can increase the likelihood of reaching a favorable outcome for everyone involved. The bottom line is that investing in a duplex is a clever move for individuals seeking to generate passive income. The hacks I have given you have the potential to provide long-term financial stability and growth through property appreciation and rental income, making it an attractive option for securing one's financial future. The only question we have left is, are you ready to start investing in your first duplex? I'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so please feel free to share your comments in the section below. And remember, don't forget to show your support by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. In fact, if you want to know exactly how to buy your first duplex in 9 easy steps, watch this video next where I'll break it down for you step by step. So click the video on the screen now, and we'll see you in the next one.